hero. That the people, if you remember when that little boy washed away in the gully, and him never even get a second thought. Him just jump in, you know, and was able to save that little boy's life. So this is our hero in a TrenchTown.
Only living hero.
Right. This is the home chef. We're on the top about Italian spice, right? No watch that whatever. Soap and water can take out anything, right? Right. Come Marvin, make a picture with you too. Kino, you have to send me that video. This is Marvin. This is one of them. Him and Wolf Chef. They work wonders in the kitchen every day.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Bowling ball. Yeah.
Come on, smile.
Good to see you behind for your change. How am I liquor? Yes, that way that drink. What the items are?
Today I said she tell us if we can't put in the care that she tell us in the papa she tell Jella.
No, Jella said she won't have food. I'm saying no, so Kino can ask for food. I will tell him no, eat already. Jella feels like
Oh, they must have done cook already in the kitchen. Oh, really Bobs. You're saying that going wicked. Really Bobs. Okay, up. You know what up mean? Lock it up. Jaja. Really Bobs. Willie Bob's do. Willie Bob's plays this.
Yeah, man.
Different places. And I Willie Bob plays Baja.
Different places.
Yeah. And I Willie Bob plays this at all. The Joe. Fresh.
No, you're gonna need a lot.
I need a lot, man. Drop with it.
Go first.
Sorry about that. You are in that pain to walk past the wall, same time to that. Yeah, man, cement is my passion. And I really strong, but I don't flash down.
She didn't buy it. Zina забыла за окном. Bobs. Eh?
Wow, baja. Passa nele.
One less, sir.
Dessa.
What's up, man? Essa never buy me none.
So she said.
We got Marie.
Yes, I'm here back again, a friend of the program.
Yeah.
Yes, friend of the program. I look up and talk. That's why I'm dressed and come nice and come. I know every day that all over.
Yeah.
I want to look good.
Yeah, good, so
Right,
sure.
okay, right?
Yeah.
So I'm here again, people. Marie, a friend of Kino and the Dream Team program. Just want to say that this young man, along with his team, them are do great things in a TrenchTown. So when people want to say, can anything come out of Nazareth, this is a way I come out of TrenchTown. This young man here, along with a team of workers, you know, doing wonders in TrenchTown, you know, helping the need. As him things say, I like to make a friend in need. So what happened now is that from last week, during Easter time, I had some bun and cheese because my family, we do our little part, we pay our little part.
Yeah.
So we had like bun and cheese up here, we gave to the elderly.
Yeah,
so I got 2 donations from 2 persons, which them no want them name mentioned.
Yeah.
So it's unknown, right? So I bought like, it's a 6 bun.
Yeah.
The 6 bun. Right? 6 buns and 200 cheese. It's not enough. And 200 cheese. It's not really enough that everybody, because I know that you have a lot of people, that everybody can get one, but you will know how to do it, and your team, you have to work it.
Yeah.
And then
I forgot slice them up.
yeah, this mass is from my daughter. In New York Topaz.
Yeah.
So because we the Wilson family, we do all of the thing up on the top of Havana this. Right? So these are mass too. So like I'm saying, you know, like
So these masks is for who?
for you give away.
Oh, for me give out?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You understand? So we get the old people them, you know, we get like the elderly them, we get them like 3 or 5 each. So we save the packet come some and bring some from half down here. So this is for you to do whatever you think at your program.
Yeah.
Alright? So like I said, you know, it's great to be here and this won't be my last visit because you know we're trying to get things together. But we don't want to talk about it until when it materializes.
Yeah.
Alright? You know, because when it mature, you know, you will see me again, you know. And you know, as here, as you can. Wow, chef, you are the daddy, you could daddy. The name Cry Laugh.
Yeah.
You know all of them, you know?
Cry Laugh.
Yeah, because I watch the video them all the time. Hero was a hero before, but when they see this one in the body, so people remember that hero that come and say hero.
Yeah.
This is hero. That people, if you remember when that little boy washed away in the gully and him never even get a second thought. Him just jumping, you know, I was able to save that little boy's life. So this is our hero in a TrenchTown.
Only living hero.
Right, hero. This is
One
chef. We're on the top about Italian spice, right? No watch that, but whatever. Soap and water can take out anything, right? Right. Come Marvin, make a picture with you too. Kino, you have to send me that video. This is Marvin. This is one of them. Him and Wow Chef, they work wonders in the kitchen every day. If you watch Kino's videos, you will see they're preparing lunches or dinners or whatever. So people, when they send you money, don't worry. Kino is doing wonders with it, and him now Skype him now do nothing. Whatever you say him to do, and that me say him to do. So I'm gonna continue and make the thing roll, so he can do more than what he's doing at the moment.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I love that.
Yeah, righteousness, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, turn around to the back. Wait. Start with the blue one, kid.
Yeah.
Aye. Aye. Yes. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Turn on our ass. Yes.
So we're officially dream teamers.
Yeah. The clean team. The dream team cleaners. Got the blue one. I get a light blue one. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, then, mommy, take care, yeah?
Yeah,
Marvin, mommy.
Look, you forgot my name?
Charlotte Monsieur. Auntie Marie,
Yes.
I'm giving you this token
Yes.
off of the behalf of the Dream Team, and I love to see what you're doing for the Dream Team and with many love.
Alright, thanks a lot. People appreciate this so much. You know, this will be treasured. Yes, treasured. So, you know, new edition. So this is me, Marie, on 3rd Street in TrenchTown, you know, with Kino and the Dream Team, the Dreamers, who are doing wonders and doing a wonderful job in TrenchTown. You know, Kino, big up yourself every time. You deserve a national honor. You know, see it, you know, because, you know, we can't depend on certain people to do it, and you are do it. See, I work miracle too, you know, Kino, come 6 cannot walk.
Yeah, for real.
Yes, so that is like a big miracle. Plus other things that you have done.
Yeah.
Alright? So keep on doing what you're doing and we'll get you down.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it down.
Oh, right away.
Yeah, I'll put it down.
The wrong way. excited.
Yes, very.
Very excited.
Yeah, you know, I'm officially a dreamer now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm officially a dreamer now.
Well, the dream come to reality now. She's awake.
Alright. Okay.
She's
So
awake.
see people, I've on my dream team, so I'm officially one of the dreamers now, right?
Yeah.
I'm officially one of the dreamers in TrenchTown on 3rd Street. One year Bob Marley sing about him, skip from street. This is 3rd Street in TrenchTown and great things are happening. Make sure you go out there, watch Kino's videos, you know, and whatever, and follow this young man and his team because he's doing wonders. Come now. You don't want to come now? Come now? Yeah.
Why?
Hero come again, you know? You know what?
Right now.
Everybody. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, people. This is us. We here with the dream team. Hero on my left and Kyla on my right. And I've just understand that these are 2 new members that have been Kadima Esther that have been incorporated into the dream team. All right.
Yeah. Whoa.
One team,
Dream team.
All right, every time.
Thank you so much for your support, Marie.
Yeah, man,
God bless
always.
you on the
I'm
door.
about my bag though, you know.
Are you going to take by the beautiful bag?
Yeah, I'm about when I go shopping.
Okay, so we're going to empty them out.
Yeah, empty them out. Yeah, I'm about when I go shopping. Every day you know you have to buy a bag.
Zaka, zo.
See that?
Nice and peas.
Nice and peas.
So today we have nice and peas.
Nice and peas and fish.
And steamed fish. Steam,
And
fry,
fish.
with crackers as well too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know we have steam fry and with crackers as well too. Okra. So you know we have to give thanks to Malik Mommy.
Malik Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, a regular name that man.
Yeah man, it's a regular name, Malik Mommy.
Malik Mommy. Give
Regular
thanks
name.
all the time when you're doing it. Them proper things that you you know.
Yeah.
Because we have to give thanks to you, you know, because you're looking for your dream team.
And Debbie from Chicago.
And Debbie from Chicago. You see, now Chicago Bulls we are talking about. Chicago itself, you know.
Yeah.
Debbie. You see, because you're looking for your dream team, you know. You see, so we have to give thanks.
Yeah,
you
man.
see,
So that's
blessed love. You see, make sure you be safe. You can always do that thing if you work. We always hear that name there, you know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's a special donor to it. You see, it's a key part of the puzzle. And you get the puzzle together. So you use we.
Yeah.
You get me? So blessed love again, man. Give thanks.
Yeah man, Malik Mommy. Big up yourself. Malik Mommy from Florida. Thank you so much for the dream team meal.
Yeah, man, a nice and peace.
And Debbie from Chicago,
And Debbie.
who's a regular donor.
Yeah, man,
Malik
regular
Mommy.
donor them, man. And
Yeah,
people will keep it going, man.
And name will repeat
You see,
it.
it repeat itself.
Continue
You see,
keep,
so we have, you see?
continue keep support for the dream team and also the less fortunate in TrenchTown. You know, they've been giving them support right through from the start of this journey and them still continue. So God bless you all. And me no food basket never empty because without us, most things wouldn't possible.
Yeah.
So we thank you so much because me I'm telling the boys only inspire other people who can do the same to know say yo we are all
man.
human beings so we all can stick together and make this thing
Make it
possible.
happen,
You know? So each one teach
Each
one, you know.
one, you know.
And each one
That's
you
what
know
them
so
say,
always
each one
each
help
one. So we give thanks all the time.
Yeah, man.
Help one another. You know what, this is Jamaica, our land we love, you know. So together we can make a change. So make we all come together man and make a change man. So big up all the donors them man cause we all do this together you know.
Yeah.
Cause remember it's a unity, donors, dream team and the viewers them and the subscriber them. We're doing this You get me? We're doing this all together because without so much thing would get done already so far. What we do without the hands of and the hands of the Almighty. So boy, we thank you so much. Right through the journey and still continue. You know, it not gonna stop.
Nah, go stop.
You can't stop.
We can't stop. God have push. We are uno. So it's a triangle.
Of course.
It's a triangle, man. That's what in the world.
Yeah, man. So Malik Mommy, thank you so much, and Debbie from Chicago.
And Debbie.
Malik Mommy from Florida. Cause them say yo buy fish, steam some with okra and with crackers.
Yeah.
With nice and peas. And see it here.
See there?
So we're going to show you the fish now and everything. The wow chef in the kitchen and go and
the rice go and steam.
And the rice and steam. Yeah, so we're going to check the wow chef now. Whoa. See it there? The wow chef.
The magical,
The magical.
Straight,
so that's the new edition.
Yeah, man. New edition up,
The new edition.
Yes, man.
The wow chef. And the magical, the new edition. So them can wash white.
Yeah, man, can wash white, man. You say, Yaga, you have some white clothes you wash, Done.
Yeah,
man, Yaga wash my white clothes, Yaga.
Yeah,
man, big up Yaga, she wash all white.
Yeah,
man.
See there?
Yeah, man.
See there? Whoa. The dream team at the back.
Next time, you see the white guns, the whole mark in the back,
Yeah.
Magical in the back. Yeah, man, sit there. Get some swim around for people, for the youth,
Jeez.
That's them, I want to swim around.
One fish for the team.
Yeah, man.
So big up Malik Mommy. Remember that name?
Yeah, man.
And Debbie from Chicago. Malik Mommy from Florida.
From Florida, Debbie from Chicago.
Yeah, never leave you out.
Chicago. My place same way in Chicago. Toronto, all them place there. New York. New York, Twice, Twice. New York. All them respect, Malik.
Yeah. And Debbie. As she say, yo, the team for eat a nice meal today. She want to eat rice and peas with steamed fish, with crackers, with okra. The thing go. The list go on and on and on.
Yeah,
and
man.
see there.
A nice and peace work today, And we can just get the crackers,
Yeah.
We have a lot of fish left, swim around left,
Yeah.
So we can just get some pack of crackers now, Then there. So then enough love and respect for the meal,
Yeah, and then some big fish, then some shark.
Man, they have shark and whale in there,
Yeah, shark and whale.
Yeah, man. You have shark and whale, man.
The new edition look.
Yeah?
The new edition and kick up.
Yeah, the new edition look beautiful, man. That's what all people that say. And me that say, jeez, Dream team. Yeah, man, I want team,
Yeah,
so I say, Marvin Morgan. You know you have my brother, You see me, I say, Kino. It don't stop you, cause I still have do some work. I see me come down in the kitchen for piece of wire, but I check say, I'm more wire on this, so Willie Bob's place so there. Start it out,
Put in the work up a
Willie Bob, so.
Yeah, man.
First and foremost, when you pass up there and see up on the house up there, at 76 degrees Celsius, the house, the shine, it a shine on the house up there.
Shine,
Yeah,
the
man,
sun a kick.
yeah, man. So I have to tell boys just me I come off and take a break. You see? No, I'm going to take a 5 because I'm not see 6. You see?
Sun a kick.
Yeah, Marvin Morgan again. Yes, man.
Marvin Morgan. Magical,
Yes, man.
Nice today.
See it here? We get my new kit, My new kit fit me good too, I can't know my size,
Yeah.
You see me, I say my new kit, So it's what mark Dream Team. You see me, I say, I like the colour them in the star. I like the colour. You see me, I say, we finish the work up here, so we're a group up. White Ganzi, white shorts, color crepe, white hat. You look like a team. So I say, you don't know, I know star one time this I forgot wear, This I forgot wear and put up. Yeah, wear because a white, we have to treat the white bright. So I say, because everything alright. Big up all of the do one of them, you see? Big up all of the do one of them. You see me, I say, Miss Cassia from over so. May your food basket never empty. Yankee, you know the joggings, you know. You see me, I say, we don't have to say 40. You see me, I say, all of the donors, them. Freeport Church, Church of Christ, Roosevelt. Me sign this. Nah, forget you, you know. Nana,
Carl
still a
and
prayer
Dennis.
for you, you know. Carl and Dennis. Nana, we still a prayer for you.
SOW.
SOW.
So
You see me, I
ministry.
say, J, where them name again? JF to
Jet to J.
Jet to JA. Big up on yourself, you know, so.
Love beer.
Love Beer Station.
Yeah.
What a beautiful station, man. You see me, I say,
SOW.
SOW.
So ministry.
So ministry.
From
See me, I say,
Maryland.
From Maryland. Enough respect, you know. And me on the food basket never empty. You see me, I say, we big up all of the elders and we will take care of out here, you know. Because we love them. My mother also.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, and then time we were on there, she always a telling us, say, gear up. You see it? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Mansion. In Palace. Well, we have to cut down your tree a little bit, really, Bob. Oh, to grow back still. Can have a little neater garden.
I like when you look baby. Beautiful, yeah.
So tall pay.
Yeah, well, I'm a general.
It's a good look.
Good, more than a good
Come
look.
through, Willie Bob. Well, ladies, them, so we have the stylist, so we're going to start out the ear for you, you know.
Look for them girls. Don't look for me, look for them girls.
And who are your baby?
Hold somebody.
Young somebody, you want?
Them know me, them no want to hold somebody.
Oh, yeah, you never know, you know.
You know about where you to be and you get old and you get
It's a new look. Glad the look. Yes, in a sort of be a kitchen. Boom down the mic.
Well, beat out, man. You see me there, one of 5 guys. You see me there?
Beat out.
Yeah, you know.
See you putting a holy power, man.
Yeah, man. You see me there. Like I put through, you know. You see me there, my family.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I push through the work. I have to do. You see me there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So when the man come in, the man get them shirts.
Yeah, man get them shirts. Man want to go beer and them things and titty beer so for good shirts. You know, if you can give me about 5 minutes.
Yeah, and them all white.
All white.
The new edition. It's a good look. Really, Bob's a be a smile. Keep it bright. Keep it bright, Willie Bob. Whoa. Look for your chat, yeah? Look what the donors do. Oh, there's a new look for Willie Bob, boy. Born again. Well, just the new edition. Yeah.
Fit ladies.
Clean team. So the man them say them can't wait for reach down the road to put on for them one.
Yeah, it's all white, man. I'm going to fresh. Yeah, man. It's all white. I want to fly.
Are they full of fire?
White, thick bag.
Yeah. Them say them can't wash white still. Boy, you say my people who wash film, so you good. You put on film right there.
Boy, I say a glory wash for film.
Outside bigger.
Yeah, try that. No, my friend, let me just buy it. Let me play.
You see that why I come over this time, yeah?
This, yeah, man.
You see the blue one are the main?
You know? This?
Yeah.
Try get the thing up. That's the left for doing. Never do that. Never do that.
You see, make Willie Bob smile brighter now.
Yeah, man. You know that over. Get you that see. Never do that.
Yeah, because we're
Right now.
strap down there, so.
Get up and ready.
So strap on the
Yeah.
wall.
You have to look up there in the sky again.
Look up in the white
Electrician there, you put in electric work as usual.
And a big piece after that.
Well, up there, this. Oh, I know she that.
I don't have to live for wine. So that's it. Alright.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better day.